Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing frames and components so resizing is predictable. Set breakpoints like 320, 768, and 1440 px, then convert containers to auto layout. Once done, select key elements and assign constraints, left, right, top, bottom, or scale, to control behavior. Make sure components are nested logically so constraints inherit correctly. This avoids orphaned elements when the frame resizes. This step establishes the response. Now refine responsiveness by using auto layout strategically. You create stacks, horizontal or vertical, with consistent spacing, say 8 to 24 px, and set padding to control internal gaps. Once done, choose sizing, fixed for strict control, hug to shrink to content, or fill to stretch across available space. Make sure to use variants for different responsive states so components swap cleanly. This reduces manual adjustments and keeps your layout flexible across the breakpoints. Finish by testing and exporting. You should prototype with responsive resizing and inspect your design at each breakpoint to confirm behavior. Once satisfied, export assets like SVGs and 1x/2x PNGs while preserving constraints for implementation. If things go wrong, check nested constraints first. Most issues come from conflicting settings. If necessary, reset auto layout on the problematic container and rebuild that section. This targeted troubleshooting will get your responsive layout production-ready quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.